Hi, welcome to yet another section of Tarot Divinations. Myself, Dr. Khushbu Gulati, and as you all know, we were discussing the wand suit, okay? And in the previous video, we had discussed about the four court cards of the wand suit, okay? That's the King of Wands, the Queen of Wands, okay, which are the power couple, okay, together, and the Knight of Wands and the uh, Page of Wands, right? So in this video, I'll be telling you about the next two code cards in succession to these code cards. Um, I'll be telling you the other cards, okay? That is the Ace of Wands, and then the numbered cards will start, starting from the Two of Wands, and which end on the Three of Wands, on the Ten of Wands, as you all know, okay? The cycle completes on the Ten of Wands, right? Okay, so I'll just show you the Ace of Wands, right? So guys, this is the Ace of Wands, okay? I think you all can see this is the Ace of Wands, okay? So what can you see in the picture? You can see in the picture that there is a hand and it is appearing from the cloud, and it is like offering you something. It is offering you an olive branch, okay? So this hand, it is like it is like coming from the divine, okay? Because it's coming from a cloud. It's like a breakthrough, okay? So this Ace of Wands, it is a very beautiful, a wonderful and a lucky card to have, okay? And whenever you get this card, you can like you can interpret that there is something which is coming to you, which is very creative, okay? Which is very creative, and which has maybe it's related to your career, maybe it's related to a particular job which you wanted to have, or if suppose you are asking in relation to a person, or your relationship situation. So maybe a person is coming towards you with the so much passion, creativity, spark, and maybe some form of communication is coming towards you, or some form of action is will be taken by that person in regards to you, okay? So the Ace of Wands, it is a very lucky card to have, and you can say that this is also a bit of a sexual energy, you can say, and it is a very passionate energy, very fiery red hot energy, okay? As it is the wand card, okay? And the wands, they are all about passion, and about action based energy is what are the wands all about, okay? So I'll just show you the Ace of Wands card much clearly so that you can have a closer look. Okay, so this looks like something of an olive branch, okay, which is being offered to you. And this is very positive, something like you have quite always wanted, okay? And this can be a little bit sexual as well, but what I see this is as something, it is offered to you in terms of creativity, ideas, passion, or spark, okay? And it's more like an action packed energy. It's like you wave a wand and something comes out to you for you. But this is basically the creativity, spark, or idea that you have waited for, okay? That is coming towards you now. So that's why I said that it can be something in terms of your career, okay? So suppose a project you have always wanted to work upon, it's like coming towards you now, okay? The idea and the opportunity is coming towards you now, okay? You so ever wanted to work on that, but now it's coming towards you, okay? So this can be in terms of career, finance, family, relationships, love situations, whatever, okay? So it is something which is like really beautiful, okay? Something good and abundant is coming towards you. So it's like it's about some, you know, form of an action taken, or action that is given towards you in terms of something that you may ask. So if you ask that if a certain person is coming towards you, will this person offer you commitment? Okay, suppose you have a question like, will this person offer you commitment, or will this person be, you know, interested in you for, you know, long term? So yes, you can expect that that person will take some form of, you know, some form of action towards you. Okay, so this what is the Ace of Wands all about? So it is all about, you know, creativity, ideas, expression. It is an action packed, you know, energy, and it is like a great energy to have. Okay, so after the Ace of Wands, we will move on to the other card, that is the just a second, guys. Yeah, so the other card, that is the Two of Wands. Okay, so this card is the Two of Wands. Are you able to see? Two of Wands shows that a person is standing and watching towards the, you know, sea there, the water body there, and it has two wands, and it's you know, each side. One wand he is holding on to, and in the other hand there is a globe. Okay, there's a globe in the other hand, and one wand he's, you know, holding on to. The other wand is, you know, like that only, he's not holding to that wand. Okay, so Two of Wands, you know, it basically talks about two means options, right? So it basically talks about some form of an option, okay, which a person might be having. Now this option can be in any form, in career, okay, or maybe in, you know, relationships, or maybe you know, love matters, whatever it is. This basically means that a choice needs to be made, okay, in terms of the options which a person has in his or her life. Okay, so this is basically what the Two of Wands is all about. And it is it is also you know, wands, so they are also action based energy. Okay, and the you know, the gist of this card is basically this, that an option, that options are there and a good choice needs to be made. Okay, so that you can have the best of all. Okay, so just have a look at this card. See, number 2 is written on this card on in Roman numerals, and the card is also the Two of Wands. Okay, so Two of Wands is all about options. It's about different paths. It's also about looking at that globe. Okay, the globe which which is in this man's hand. Then looking at the different options and making sure that you weigh out all your options before you choose. Okay, and because you do have them, so making some form of a decision as well. So this card can pop out when you have a, you know, major decision to make, and you need to, you know, weigh out all your options and see what the best among all is, and then make a wise decision. Okay, so this card can also pop up in such situations. So you are looking out at different ideas and things, essentially, because the wands, as you know, they are all about ideas, they are all about action. Okay, or there's a project, or basically some ideas, sorry, yeah, a project or some form of ideas, and taking some of an or some form of an action in terms of these options. So it basically means that you have to take some form of a decision, maybe on a project, maybe on some, you know, brilliant or better ideas. Okay, or maybe some form of a place or a person, whatever it can be. Okay, depending on your particular situation in life. Okay, so this is basically like making good choices in you know, in life, out of all the options which you are having currently. Okay, so this is basically what the Two of Wands is all about. Okay, so I think that's all for today. We have discussed the two cards, the two wand cards today, that is the Ace of Wands and the Two of Wands. Okay, so in the next section we'll be continuing with the wand suit, and we will discuss about the Three of Wands and the Four of Wands. Okay, So please do watch my videos, and thank you so much for supporting and giving your time. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, and do help me grow. And please hit the notification button so that you can get all my latest updates and videos. Okay, so we'll meet soon in our next video, and until then, take care. Bye bye.